Is Bitcoin a huge success or a total bust? Good day, everybody. With the current pandemic unfolding in our reality now, you might be scouring the internet for ways to fend off your boredom or earn a little cash on the side. Nowadays, it can be extremely difficult to earn money, especially when the economy has shut down and there's not much we can do about the jobs that have been lost. This is why people have chosen to find jobs online that allow them to work from home. As long as you have the necessary skills, then this shouldn't be a problem for you. However, some of you have chosen to invest in a couple of interesting things. Here at Are You Ready, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Plenty of people have started getting interested in this form of cryptocurrency. And if you're curious as to why people are suddenly bringing up Bitcoin, then you should stick around until the end to find out more. For this video, we'll be quickly going through the important aspects of Bitcoin, such as its history, its definition, how it works, who uses it, and why it's such a big deal right now. By the end of this video, you'll have learned so many important things about Bitcoin that you can use it to earn money. However, be warned and tread lightly, because you could be dealing with a successful economy or counting your losses after it's been busted open. Alright, let's get started. While there are contrasting statements about what Bitcoin is, it's actually pretty straightforward. It's a type of cryptocurrency that was invented in 2008 by an unknown figure with the same name as Satoshi Nakamoto. To make things simple, Bitcoin is a virtual currency that uses a software that lets you record transactions through a distributed ledger. We call this the blockchain. Bitcoin is primarily used to exchange products, services, and other currencies. People use Bitcoin because of its difficult to crack code. Forget about trying to crack somebody's Bitcoin wallet. Unless they give you complete access over it, this software runs on complex computer systems and groups of transactions called blocks to ensure tight security. It also protects against fraud using a trustless system. Overall, the blockchain is very difficult to crack into, as it's constantly being reviewed by Bitcoin users. This is one of the main reasons why people use Bitcoin in the first place, since it ensures that their transactions are protected. It also doesn't rely on central authorities, which means you have complete control over your transactions. However, because it doesn't rely on central authorities or institutions, the cryptocurrency is vulnerable to updates and changes, which tend to frustrate those who use it regularly. Another reason why people trade in Bitcoin is to prepare for a future where it will hopefully become the new currency. Perhaps in the future, we'll be able to process transactions and exchanges without being regulated by the government or banks. This means you won't have to worry about third-party interventions, exchanging values, or inflation rates. This is why it's a particularly good currency to invest in, as it offers more returns compared to other assets in the current market. Because it doesn't go through any third-party institutions, Bitcoin is widely used for shady activities. This includes transactions within the dark web, illegal drugs, money laundering, and tax evasion. Accordingly, a total value of $600 million was sent to and from the dark web. This is why some countries have restricted its use online. Currently, when non-tech savvy people think of Bitcoin, they refer to its shady activities as a reason for them not to invest, which is a damn shame. Despite its controversial usage, Bitcoin's popularity is still increasing. It doesn't work like traditional currencies, where it's influenced by a number of factors, such as inflation rates, monetary policies, and economic growth measurements. Instead, it's influenced by the following: market demand, supply of Bitcoins, internal governance, and the cost of production. There you have it, folks. We've tackled the different perspectives about Bitcoin's success in the current market. While it is widely used for illegal activities, it's still an efficient way in transferring money. Its transparent set of rules ensure that people can control their Bitcoin wallets. However, we can't deny that Bitcoin trading has significantly slowed, and the value of digital tokens have also dropped. Nowadays, a price of a Bitcoin is around $9,000. If you want us to cover more cryptocurrencies in the future, or even anything else that's remotely interesting to you, then please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread more information about Bitcoin. For more updates from Are You Ready? Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Are you ready?